guys, this is AJ and welcome back to my channel. So, just like what I told you on the previous vlog, magkakaroon na ulit ako ng travel vlogs for you guys. So, I'm currently in NAIA Terminal 3. I'm gonna conquer Mindanao again kasi wala pa akong masyado na pupuntahan sa Mindanao for my Road to 82PH project. So, that means ikutin natin yung 82 provinces ng Pilipinas at since konti pa lang sa Mindanao, yun yung goal natin for my birthday travel vlog. So, ngayon, we'll wait for our boarding time at around 4:55 a.m. It's around past 3, so, or 4 a.m. So, mga isang oras pa. Anyway, I'm gonna see you guys later. Bye! We're here in Davao, but we'll conquer Sargent for this trip. So South Cotabato, Sultan Kudarat, Jensen, and Sarangani. So can't wait. Let's go. So first stop, we're off to Cotabato on our Sargent tour. So anong oras na? It's 11:31, most likely darating na kami doon late afternoon na. So, dun muna kami magsistay for the night and then tomorrow, we'll be heading to Sultan Kudarat. Wala kaming super itinerary talaga. So, may mga couple of nilist lang ako based sa mga nakita ko online. And, ayun. Pero DIY to. So, kanya-kanya. Bahala na sa desisyon namin kung anong gusto namin puntahan. But, see you guys later. Bye! So, So, we're currently here in Cotabato City. So, yung name ng accommodation is Jayamco or Hiamco Royal Hotel Novo. So, nandito lang siya within the city proper. Tapos, ang maganda kasi tapat siya ng Jollibee. Although, haba ng biyahe namin, parang we left Davao City around 11. And then, it's almost 5 a.m. So, yung accommodation namin na kinuha is family room. Tapos, 1,550 siya. And then, may additional 200 for the key card. Pero refundable naman yun upon checkout. So, for 12 hours yung 1,550. Pero not bad naman kasi makita nyo naman dun sa room or dito sa room na very spacious siya. Tapos, may bidet, may ano. So, yun. Anyway, kapagod. So, dito sa accommodation, guys, it's just in front of the Mindanao Star Bus Transport. So, I think if you're coming from, like, Davao City, meron naman to sa Davao City, no? Tapos, yung mga biyaheng Cotabato, definitely, dyan kayo bababa kasi ito yung pinaka-terminal. Tapos, sa tapat lang niya tong accommodation na nabook namin. And then, ayan na yung Jollibee just across the street. So, easy access sa food. Pero I'm not sure if we'll actually walk around. Pero I think the area is near their market. Sa other side. So, busy street siya in a way. Kasi, nasa may market area side siya. Kaya, ayun. Pero sobrang, for me, sobrang goods na tong accommodation. At mabilis yung wifi nila in fairness. At naka-split type. Di nyo kaya. Good morning, day 2 of our Sargent trip. We're still here in Cotabato but we're preparing our stuff now. Puntahan namin yung mga mosque and possibly kung ano pang place here. And then, we go to Sultan Kudarat. Di rin namin sure kung ano talaga yung mga pupuntahan namin doon but it's around almost 6 a.m. Maaga na kami nag-prepare para maaga din kaming makabiyahe papuntang Sultan Kudarat because Siyempre, ayaw naman natin pare-parehas abutin tayo ng gabi sa daan. Kaya mas maganda ng agahan natin ang mga pagbabiyahe. So anyway, I'm gonna update you and see you guys later. Breakfast muna kami sa Jollibee sa tapat. Bye! So we're currently here at the Grand Mosque. Tatak sa inyo. Ayan. Ganda, ang laki. So you are required kasi kailangan naka-pants. Eh na mga naka-shorts kami. So nag-rent kami for 100 ng full attire. Tapos kasama na to. And then yung entrance is donation para makapasok sa loob. So, tara na. 100 lang naman eh. Pupunta kayo ng Grand Mosque, dito na lang kayo kala ate mag-rent. So we're now in Pink Mosque. Pangalawang Pink Mosque ko na to.
Talaga ba?
Yung first Pink Mosque ko is yung nasa loob ng Mindanao State sa Tawi-Tawi. Ayan. So we're here in Coronadal City, currently sa Mambucal Hot Sulphur Spring Resort. So initially pupunta dapat kami sa isang falls sa Sultan Kudarat and sa La Primera Mountain Ridge. Pero apparently hindi namin na-achieve pumunta for some reason. So we went straight na lang to Coronadal agad. Kasi iba din naman yung feeling ko sa mga nakakilala sa akin. You know what I'm talking about. So para makampante, dumiretso na kami sa Coronadal. So ngayon, maglulublob muna kami sa hot spring para lang ma-relax konti. Anyway, tara. So, we're staying here sa Axe Pension House. So, nakita nyo naman dun sa dito, habang nagsasalita ako, i-room tour ko na kayo. So, makita nyo naman dun sa video ng room tour. Very small room. We paid almost 1.3. Tapos, okay naman yung room. Like, a good place to stay for a night. Probably kasi tomorrow. So, it's my birthday tomorrow.
Happy birthday!
Shit, 30 na me.
Are we, huh?
Ilan taong ka na nga?
37.
Wait, toot! Pero yun, so we're planning to go to Lake Cebu and zipline ourselves sa 7 waterfalls. So, for some reason, mahilig ako sa mga adventure. Gusto ko matry mag-paragliding. Gusto ko matry mag-skydiving. Pero, ayoko nag-zipline. Pero, medyo kinompose ko na yung sarili ko kasi kailangan ko mag-zipline para makita yung 7 waterfalls. So, nilolook forward ko na yung Lake Cebu and yung 7 waterfalls tomorrow. Ngayon, magna-night out lang kami para mabawi namin yung pagod today. Tapos, masarap yung tulog mamaya. So, anyways, hindi ko sure kung makapag-vlog pa ako later on or baka clips na lang. But definitely see you tomorrow. So, bye. Day 3 of our Sock Sergeant trip. It's my birthday today.
Happy birthday!
So, 30 na ako today. So we're heading to Lake Cebu and the 7 waterfalls. So mag-aalakatrio na muna ang yung lingkod. So yun, zipline zipline na naman. Hindi ko na naman alam kung ano maging reaction ko. But mag-drive-thru na muna kami for breakfast and then punta na kami doon. See you guys later. We're here sa zipline. Ito na to. Let's go. So meron kami binayaran na parang 160 in total ba?
170.
Mga ganon for us 3. Yung mga ano na yun, parking fee, entrance fee, ganyan. Pero nakalagay doon yung zipline ride fee is 350. So, hindi ko alam kung per zipline ba or isang zipline lang ba or...
Akala ko ba mag-galing?
So, let's see.
Ay, ilaw.
Hindi ko alam. Grabe yung kabog ng dibdib ko. As in... As in, literal yung kabog ng dibdib ko.
Tubig lang po.
I cannot. Pero, sige, go.
Laban na.
Happy birthday to me. So we survived, pero grabe pa rin yung kabog sa dibdib. Pero it was a great feeling, to be honest. Kasi ang ganda ng scenery. Pero sa dibdib, hanggang ngayon yung kabog ng dibdib ko, I cannot. Ang lakas pa rin ng kabog ng dibdib ko, as in. Kasi sa mga videos, pwede nakaupo. Pero pagdating doon, nung nagtanong ako, hindi daw, Superman daw talaga yung ano. So, first time ko mag-Superman na zipline kasi I don't like zipline at all. Pero, I guess it's really worth it. Kasi ang ganda ng view. So, we're up for the second round. Hey, Lord, happy birthday to me. So we survived the second round. So masarap na sa feeling yung second actually. Medyo less scary na. So mas kinaya na, pero doon pa rin yung kaba. But it was worth it, really worth it. Like at least.
Nagpaasa?
So nandito na kami sa falls kung saan yung video ni Catriona na ano, that's a piece of advice from my dad that I'm gonna apply my whole life. Ito yung scene na yun. Let's go. So we're currently here sa Lake Cebu mismo. So si Kuya Rani ang in charge for this.
The in charge is in charge.
Unfortunately, para mag full bloom yung lotus, dapat early morning kayo pupunta.
7 to 9.
Oh, yun. 7 to 9 a.m. So ngayon, pinipilit lang ni Kuya Rani magbukas yung mga lotus.
Totoo.
Pero you can naman, you can still do this shot and mag-rent ng mga ng clothing
But you
nila.
have to be nice to ask Sir
Oo,
Rani.
true. Huwag kayo magmamaldita kay Kuya. Si Kuya Rani ang magtuturo din sa inyo ng mga poses dito para sa mga shots nyo. So, hanapin niyo si Kuya Rani dito. Matik yun. technically Sarangani din. And it's 3:05 p.m. At maulan. Sobrang dilim, kita nyo naman. Pero let's think of it as a blessing for today's event. Tara naman ng birthday, may event. Pero ayun, I had fun. We all did actually. And ako, I'm happy.
Special shout out to Sir Rani talaga.
Yes, Sir Rani as in hands down. So again, si Sir Rani yung nagturo kay Catriona ng mga poses and all. So imagine, diba? So deserve ni Kuya Rani ng ganong limelight.
Totoo.
Ayun, ako happy kasi yun talaga yung peg na gusto ko for my birthday. Kaya sabi ko sa kanila, hopefully dapat by November 29, Lake Cebu talaga. So, na-achieve naman. Nagkaroon pa ng konting issue kasi muntik pa kami hindi makapush doon sa Lake Cebu mismo. Pero, nagawa ng paraan. Kaya, ayun, happy and thankful. So, anyway, we're gonna see you guys later pagdating na namin ng Jansan/Sarangani. So, bye! So we arrived here sa Jansan. It's 5:50 p.m. We left Lake Cebu at around 3. So dumaan pa kami ng quick stopover lang kami ng McDo to eat. Tapos umulan na malakas. And then we booked here na lang sa Red Doors. Dapat talaga originally Sarangani 2 nights. Pero dahil nga umulan na malakas and paggabi na rin, so safety, sabi ko mag-Jansa na lang muna and then 1 night sa Sarangani, sa may Glan. So ngayon, we'll just rest for the night and then tomorrow we go to Glan. So siguro good night na. See you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye. Good morning. So for today, we're heading to Sarangani. We'll try our luck because apparently lahat ng nakontak namin na resort ay fully booked, but para kaming chance passenger for today, tignan namin kung makakahanap kami. But breakfast at kape muna, so see you guys later. Bye. After checking a lot of beach resort in Glan, we settled here sa Anvi. It's a bit more on the pricey side, pero maganda naman kasi yung area, tapos white sand beach pa. So dito ay may, I'm guessing, queen bed, and then probably a semi-double bed. Tapos, maayos naman yung CR. We have proper storages. Ang CR nila, let's see. Yan. So, yan ang CR. Perfect. Hello. So, let's go. So we're walking outside. Nag-brown out sa accommodation kanina, pero mukhang ano siya, like scheduled brown out. Now we're walking sa road to look for food. Uy, lumana yun as option. Let's go! Good morning! So, hindi ko na alam kung pang ilang araw. But we're here in Anvi. Just woke up. It's around 6 a.m. So walang sun. Di namin nabot na yung sunrise. But mukhang walang sunrise. Kasi ang cloudy. So we'll just have our breakfast. Then probably swim. Tas mga pag-check out. Biyahe na kami pa Davao. And then we'll kumbaga finish our trip there kasi hanggang December 3 pa naman yung December 3 pa yung flight namin, so we'll stay sa Davao for 2 nights. Ayun, sana gumanda yung weather kahit pa paano. So it's checkout day. So we stayed 2 nights here in Davao after the Sarangani trip. Hindi na ako nag-vlog technically sa Davao kasi wala naman na kami masyadong ginawa kundi kumain at matulog. And I already have my Davao vlog. So kung gusto niyo panoorin, you can check out the link below as well. Tapos, ayun, I think it's indeed a fun birthday travel and I'm happy kasi for my goal na road to 82 PH or which is conquering the 82 provinces of the Philippines, madami ako na take off sa travel na to, like Maguindanao del Norte and del Sur. So that includes the Cotabato City, andyan yung Sultan Kudarat, the Socsargen, which is the South Cotabato, General Santos, and Sarangani. And then we passed by Davao Occidental, if I'm not mistaken. And then we went, so yun, parang it was indeed a very fulfilling trip and masarap sa feeling na mapuntahan mo yung mga provinces na yon, makita mo yung areas nila or even the culture, ganyan. And happy ako kasi sa plan ko na birthday, yung mismong araw ng birthday ko is sa Lake Cebu. Nagawa ko yung zipline, kahit takot ako sa zipline. And then, naka-picture ako dun sa Lake Cebu mismo. But yung zipline yung pinaka-memorable kasi one, takot nga ako sa ganun. Pangalawa, yun pa yung highest sa Southeast Asia, no? Na zipline. So parang the scary part for me is yung tapos naka-Superman pa. So ayun, anyway, it was really a fun trip. Very memorable. Worth it, pero bitin pa. Parang gusto ko pang mag-extend ng bakasyon kung pwede lang. But then again, I hope you enjoyed my vlog. And don't forget to follow me on my social media. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click on the notification bell for my next video. So after this, hindi ko na alam kung anong next trip ko pa. Pero definitely next year may mga naka-line up na ako na travel ulit for you guys. So see you guys. Bye!
Bye.